Here's the goblet squat. I'm going to show it to you and then break it down. Grab onto the bell, pull yourself down, back up from the side. A couple different ways you can hold the bell for the goblet squat is the first one, like I had it, is by the horns. Another way would be by the horns with the bottom up, this way. Lastly, not lastly, but another way to do it is by the bell, with your thumbs through the bell handle towards you. So the goblet squat, you're going to pull yourself down, feet nice and straight, hips back, abs nice and tight, pull down, and then come back up. Benefits of the goblet squat is strong abdominal engagement. So it's like doing a front squat with a barbell. And there's the goblet squat.